This Wednesday morning, there are two news, one good and one bad. The good news first, India's gross GST collection witnessed a 9.9% jump in March, reaching over 1.96 lakh rupees crore, marking the second highest monthly revenue on record. And now, the bad news, FIIs were net sellers in yesterday's trade. But the day's trading theme revolves around the markets waiting nervously, anxiously for President Donald Trump's impending tariff unveiling, which has intensified fears of a global trade war. That's in line with our call of the day, which suggests Nifty and its stocks are likely to waffle and probably wild up and down swings on cards. Meanwhile, gold sparkles to $3,130 an ounce amidst uncertainty surrounding U.S. tariffs set for 2nd April that has been supportive for the safe haven asset. Long story short, caution shall be the buzzword and the Gyan mantra is to stay nimble. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 5902 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 4323 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are suggesting weakening momentum and overbought technical conditions. FANO April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index spiked higher towards 13.78 levels. At last check, USD INR 28 April expiry is hovering near 85.71. Nifty PCR 30th April is at 0.75 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 24th April is at 0.91. Nifty outlook, an up and down session on cards. Volatility shall be the hallmark of today's trading. Nifty, CMP 23166. Biggest make or break support on Nifty is now placed only at 23,000 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,450 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,000 and 23400. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 50828. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 50,407 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday resistance is now at 51,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,205 to 00. Bias for the day is negative. In yesterday's trade, Nifty got an ugly start ahead of Trump's 2nd April tariffs. The negative takeaway was that the advance decline ratio was in favor of the bears, 3-2, as India VIX jumped 9% on fears of US stagflation. Technically, it's still a trading market with Nifty major hurdles at its 200 DMA at 24,081 mark. Amongst stock-specific action, 1. IndusInd Bank, plus 5.06%, was top outperformer in yesterday's trade on reports that it has carried out multiple deals with private banks such as Federal Bank and ICICI Bank by transferring highly rated corporate loans, aiming to shore up liquidity. 2. The Vodafone Idea, 6. Stock price surged 19% after the government resolved to convert a sizable chunk of the telco's spectrum dues into equity shares worth 36,950 crore rupees. Q3, Maharashtra-based real estate developers stocks like Oberoi Realty, Macrotech Developers and Prestige Estates fell hard following Maharashtra's upward revision of ready reckoner rates.